Magic Leap is vertically integrated, and we manufacture our waveguides. We bring wafers in the door and send eyepieces and product out the door.
When we create the waveguide, we're always trying to improve our process. If we can't detect and measure how it's performing, we can't make it better.
So we have everything from materials characterization lab to a failure analysis lab. We have factories, both production and prototype, for all aspects of manufacturing. We have a full reliability lab here, and then the failure analysis lab all is within this one building.
We've got a high capacity to make actual product and been able to produce more than 90% rolled yield in production.
What's innovative in our manufacturing process? Again, pretty much everything. There's no solutions out there that are off the shelf. We pretty much had to innovate from start to finish.